Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be going over ChatGPT for product descriptions. Before I continue, I do want to let you know that as you can see up top, with ChatGPT, it said they're experiencing exceptionally high demand. Please hang tight as we work on scaling our systems. I've been saying this in pretty much all of my new videos, so just in case you're having trouble logging in or getting access to this, that's simply why. Okay, so let's begin. There are a couple ways you could do this. First and foremost, if there's a product already that you want to get a description for, why not try it out, throw it into ChatGPT, and see if it can actually go through and create a description for you. So what I put here was, write me a product description for the sales funnel software called ClickFunnels. Let's click enter and see what we get. All right, and overall, this is a lot better than I thought it would be. So it's pretty accurate. So it's a powerful sales funnel software that allows you to easily create and manage all aspects of your online sales process. With its intuitive drag and drop interface, you can easily create custom landing pages, opt-in forms, sales pages that are optimized for conversions, and so on and so forth. Not bad. What I want to do is a new chat, and let's say you're creating your own product and you want a product description for it. What we can do is talk about the title and then, of course, some benefits that'll come along with this. So give me a second. I'm going to enter in something and then I'll come back to you. All right, so the first thing off the top of my head, I put write a product description for a course called the Ultimate YouTube Course. I just made that up. This course is for online marketers who want to grow their business using the power of YouTube. Let's do online business. I guess you could do either or, but just to make it a little bit more focused, click on this and see what we get. All right, so about the same length as the previous one. As it says here, the Ultimate YT course is the ultimate guide. I would take this out just because Ultimate's been used, so I'd say like something, the Ultimate YT course is the premium guide for online marketers looking to take their business to the next level with power of YouTube. So from here, this is obviously going to be a guess, given the fact we didn't give it too much information, so let's see what we get. This comprehensive course will teach you everything you need to know how to create and grow a successful YouTube channel, from optimizing your videos for search and engagement to building a loyal audience and monetizing your content. With expert instruction, actionable strategies, and proven tactics, the Ultimate YT course is your one-stop shop for mastering YouTube marketing and growing your online business. Sign up now and start seeing results. Okay, cool. So maybe we want a little bit more. Okay, so when it comes to ChatGPT, keep in mind, like, you're just having a chat with someone. So if you were talking to me and you're like, hey, what's a description for it? And then I gave you this and you're like, that's cool, but can I get a little bit of a longer description that talks about the benefits of using YouTube for online marketing? And I would say, sure, here it is for you. Let's click on this and see what we get. All right, so they weren't kidding when we said do a longer description. As you can see, there's this one and then this one, a few paragraphs. So talking about leverage the power of YouTube, I'm just going to paraphrase here. 2 billion active users, 1 billion hours of video watched every day. That is a lot of hours anyway. So create and grow a successful YouTube channel, from optimizing your videos, building a loyal audience, monetizing your content. You'll learn how to create high quality, engaging video content. Then it talks about the benefits, is that it's cost effective compared to traditional forms of advertising. YouTube ads can be targeted to specific demographics and interests, which helps the chances of your ad being seen. There's more of an authentic and personal connection with your audience. I agree with that. I like video. Videos allow you to obviously showcase your brand's personality, values, mission, which can help to build trust and loyalty with your customers. Okay, so it did hammer on like more of the benefits, which is cool, and it was much longer. So this is something I want to bring up. Anytime you get content on here, don't forget that you can just be like, hey, write some more, or just write some more related to the benefits of so and so. So that was just an example when it comes to using ChatGPT for product descriptions, whether it's your own product that you're going to create, or maybe you just need some more information about a product that's already out. If that is the case, make sure you fact check it and make sure that all the benefits and the bullet points are correct so that it matches up with the product that you're going to be talking about. Anyway, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. My name is James. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.